Good morning, student. This is our second video of Nasruddin's aim. In last video, I explained the half lesson. In that part, I explained about Nasruddin. Nasruddin was boasting with his friend that he is very good in archery, but he not shoot first time he not shoot the target, and he called the name of Azad. He said, it was his friend Azad's aim. It was not my aim, it was Azad's aim. Now second time he again shoot the arrow. After that, I am going to explain the rest part of the lesson. First, I will read the rest part of the lesson, then I will explain. But it certainly did not hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, and this must be how you shoot an arrow? Of course not, argued Nasruddin. Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim. Now somebody remarked, well, now who's next on the list? Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin did not say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow and again, and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. Everybody started at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, did you see that? It was my aim. Second time, okay, but it certainly did not hit the target. Nasruddin hit the target second time, but second time also he did not hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, they means friends of Nasruddin. The friend of Nasruddin said, and this must be how you shoot an arrow? How did you shoot the arrow? They asked. Then Nasruddin said, of course not. Of course not means no, it is also not my aim. What he said? Nasruddin said, it is not my aim. Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim. He is saying it was the chief guard's aim. In first time he called the name of his friend Azad, and second time again he failed to hit the target, so he called the name of chief guards. He said, it is not my aim, it was the chief guard's aim. Now somebody remarked. Somebody remarked means who is somebody? One friend. Okay, his one friend said, well, now who's next on the list? He is asking with Nasruddin, if you will fail again to shoot the target, so whose name will you call? Okay. Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Hearing this, the all friends burst out laughing means they start laughing loudly. Nasruddin did not say a word. In this time, Nasruddin said nothing. He said nothing to his friend. He quietly picked up the arrow and again he ready to shoot the target. And this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. It is his third attempt. Which number attempt? Third attempt. In third attempt, luckily, the arrow hit the target. Okay, luckily. Everybody started at Nasruddin. Everybody means his friend started to looking at the Nasruddin, and every friend's mouth agape in amazement. They are wonder to see that ki oh, Nasruddin hit the target. Okay, before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said repentantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." Because luckily he hit the target, so Nasruddin said, "It is my aim." Triumphantly means happily. He said happily, "Did you see? It was my aim." Why he said it was my aim? Because he hit the target. In this lesson, Nasruddin said, "I am very good in archery." But again he did not hit the target. When he not hit the target, he called someone else name for that. Okay, but third time luckily he hit the target and he said, "It is my aim." Why he did not hit the target? Because he was not a good archer. Only he boasted with his friend that he is a very good in archery. Okay, now you have some work to do, whose submission date is 8 July. But you have to not submit this work. Okay, student, don't submit this work. Only you have to copy this work, and in this time I am giving you some homework also, which you have to do. This is our second video. First is your fill in the blanks, and you have to write the date here. 7/7/20. And what is the day? Today is Tuesday. TUESDAY. This is your date and day. You have to write date here this side and day this side. This is your fill in the blanks. I am reading it for you. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. This is your blank place which I filled. In your exam I will left it blank and you have to put chatting here. Okay. Nasruddin's friend immediately bought a bow and some arrows. The arrow did not hit the target. The arrow fell down somewhere in the middle. Nasruddin was defending himself. Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. Nasruddin was not good at archery. Okay, now true and false. In this time I did all the true false and fill in the blanks for you, but next time I will give all these work as homework. No one can match Nasruddin's skill in archery. Is it right? No, na? So I write here F. F means false. It is not true. Second is Nasruddin likes to do chatting with his friends. It is right. So I write here T, because this is a right statement. Nasruddin likes to chatting with his friend. Third is Nasruddin shoot the target on the first attempt. Nasruddin shoot the target on the first attempt. Is it right? No, na? It is not right. The arrow is fell down somewhere else in the middle. He not shoot the target in first attempt, na? That's why I written here F, false. He, in which time, in which attempt he shoot the target. You have to remember it. Now fourth, Azad was Nasruddin's friend. Azad was Nasruddin's friend. In first attempt he called the name of Azad. Na, it is not my aim, it is Azad's aim. So Azad is his friend. That time I told you कि I think Azad was his friend. So it is true. Nasruddin shoot the target on the third attempt. In which attempt he shoot the target? In third attempt he shoot the target. Second attempt he also failed. First and second attempt Nasruddin failed to shoot the target. He luckily he shoot the target in third attempt. So it is true. Now reference to context. Student, listen very carefully. What is it? Reference to context. Read the following lines and give the answer with reference to context. Here is a line of this lesson. You have to recognize this line. Okay? Your line is aim at that target and shoot an arrow. Who said this line? To whom and why? This is your question. This question is based on this line. Before giving the answer, you have to write here reference to context. Okay? Its reference is this line has been taken from lesson Nasruddin's aim. And now here is the answer of this line. This question. Who said this line, to whom and why? So who said this? Nasruddin's friend said this line to Nasruddin because Nasruddin was boasting with his friend that he is very good in archery. Understand? Who said? Nasruddin's friend said. Because he was boasting. He was boasting with na कि no one can as good as like me in archery. So his friend bought a bow and arrow and give it to Nasruddin. That time he said aim that target and shoot an arrow. So this is the answer of this question. You have to read each and every line very carefully. In exam I can give you any line to do. Now here your homework. This is your homework. First line. And this must be how you shoot an arrow. And this must be how you shoot an arrow. And question is of this line. Who said this line to whom and when? Definitely his friend said this line to Nasruddin. So before writing the answer, you have to write the reference to context, then write the answer of this question. Okay, this is your homework. Second is, did you see that? It was my aim. Now question is, who said this line and when? Okay, before writing the answer of this question also, you have to write reference to context. Then write the answer of this question. So please read the lesson again and then do these two questions. Okay, student? Now, thank you, and next time I will tell you the summary of the lesson. Then I will ask some more questions with you, which you have to write in your literature notebook. Okay? Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.